Your car's engine is its heart. When it goes bad, you won't be able to drive your car. Ever been in this situation? You turn the key or press the start button and nothing. No crank, no start, just silence. Frustrating, right? Today we're diving into the 8 common causes of a no crank, no start condition. Don't skip the video, because by the end of this video, you'll have a better idea of what might be causing the issue and what you can do about it. I will also share some bonus tips to get you back on the road and save you from costly repair. So, stick till the end. First, let's understand what we're dealing with. An engine that experiences a no crank, no start condition means the engine does not turn over or attempt to start. In no crank, no start condition, you won't hear the cranking noise the starter makes when rotating the engine. Now let's break down the common causes of no crank, no start condition. Reason number 1, battery issues. Let's start with the usual suspect, the battery. The battery is like your car's heartbeat. It is the primary power source for starting the car. If it's dead or has insufficient charge, the starter motor won't receive enough power to crank the engine. So what do? Grab a multimeter and check your battery health. A healthy battery should read around 12.6 volts. Anything less, it's time to charge or replace your battery. Pro tip, keep a portable jump starter in your trunk. It's a total lifesaver and makes you the hero when someone else is stranded. Reason number 2, corroded or loose connections. Ever notice a science experiment growing on your battery terminals? That crusty green stuff, yeah, that's corrosion. It blocks power from flowing. All you need is a wire brush, some baking soda, and water to clean it up. Pro tip, after cleaning, apply a little petroleum jelly to prevent future corrosion. Reason number 3, faulty starter motor. Next, let's talk about the starter motor. Did you hear a clicking sound when you turn the key? If no, the starter motor could be to blame. The starter motor is responsible for turning the engine to initiate the combustion process. If it's worn out or damaged, it won't engage properly, preventing the engine from cranking. Here is the pro tip for you. Give the starter a gentle tap with a wrench. Sometimes this can temporarily free up a stuck starter. Reason number 4, bad ignition switch. Let's talk about the ignition switch. Your car's on button. It sends an electrical signal to the starter motor. If it's defective, this signal won't be sent and the starter won't engage. Look for symptoms of bad ignition switch, like flickering dashboard lights or no power to accessories when you turn the key. Reason number 5, neutral safety, switch and clutch sensor. Here's one you might not think of, the neutral safety switch or clutch sensor. If you're in gear or the clutch isn't fully depressed, your car won't start. Automatic transmission should be in park or neutral, and manuals need the clutch pressed all the way down. Reason number 6, blown fuses and relays. Damaged wiring, blown fuses, or a bad relay can cut power to your starter motor. Check your fuse box and look for signs of wear in your wiring harness. Consult your car's manual to locate the starter relay and fuses. Replace any that are blown and keep spares handy in your glove box. Reason number 7, security system malfunction. Ever notice a flashing key or padlock icon on your dash? Your car's anti-theft system might be working a little too well. If the system malfunctions or doesn't recognize the key, it prevents cranking. The solution is to reset your system by following your owner's manual instructions or using a spare key. Reason number 8, seized engine. The engine's internal components must move freely to start. If your engine is locked up due to lack of oil or mechanical failure, it won't crank no matter what. To confirm, try turning the crankshaft manually using a wrench. If it doesn't move, it's time to consult a mechanic. Reason number 9, fuel system failures. Wait a minute. What if your engine won't crank because it's not getting fuel? A clogged fuel filter, bad fuel pump, or even empty fuel tank can prevent startup. Listen for a faint hum when you turn the key. No sound? Your fuel pump may be faulty. Reason number 10, bad ground connection. Finally, let's talk about the ground connection. Your car's electrical system needs a good ground to work. If the ground wire is loose or corroded, it's like trying to run a marathon with one shoe. Tighten it up and clean any rust and you're good to go. So the next time your car gives you the silent treatment, don't panic. Remember these tips and tricks. Next time your car plays dead, you'll know exactly where to start. Got questions or your own pro tips? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive tips and tricks.